Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this KODAK 100 plus LED lamp light headlamp. All right, so this is a very compact yet powerful lighting solution designed for convenience. All right, so one of the key features that we can see from here is its IP20 rating, which means it's suitable for indoor use, but it's offering basic protection against dust, which means it's not applicable for outdoors. All right, so light range, it's actually up to 30 meters, which is for its size, it's impressive. Yeah. And then the brightness, according in its box, it's 100 lumens, ideal for hallways, closets, or small rooms, right? And battery life, it says it's rechargeable with up to 500 charging cycles, making it, eco-friendly and cost-effective. What else? So it also has motion detector, which means it automatically turns on when movement is detected. Great for energy saving, right? And one thing more, it also has a 3-year warranty. It's very ensuring, to have a peace of mind, right? So, well, first impression, let's see. So let's unbox it. So I bought this from actually from Deals here in Ireland, and based from the box itself, it has the Type-C charging cable, right? And of course, since it's a headlamp, it comes with a headband, right? It's very compact, and as you can see, this is the light itself, right? All right, so it has 2 lights, all right, and as you can see, it's pretty much it looks okay, especially if you're just going to use this for small spaces or hallways or indoor, I should say, because it's just an IP20 headlamp. So maybe if you're just working in a construction, like if you just want this to put in your helmet, this is for electricians or for any DIYers out there who wants or who needs some light for dark spaces. This is ideal, right? Okay, and I bought this for only €4 here in Deals. So not, I mean, it's really cheap compared to other headlamps, because this one is already rechargeable. Some other headlamps with that price is only what do you call that, powered by 2 AA batteries, so which is, of course, it's not ideal, because you have to buy every now and then those 2 batteries. All right, but so performance wise, light output, well, bright enough for its intended purpose, though not for large outdoor spaces. And according here, it has what do you call that, motion detector. All right, so I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, it's really bright, they said that it's also fast charging, so it has charging port Type-C here, so we will try that as well. Well, pros, I would say it's a long battery life, according to them, with 500 recharge cycles. Motion detection adds convenience and saves energy, of course. 3-year warranty is a big plus as well, although I'm not sure where or which store should I bring this if in case I need to claim for warranty, right? For cons, it's IP20, it means no outdoor use in wet conditions, so it's just really for indoor. 100 lumens might be low for large areas, so it's just really for small areas. Well, but of course, if you need a reliable indoor LED lamp with motion detection and solid battery life, this one is already a great choice, perfect for hallways, garage, or any spots where you want light when or only when needed. This is a this is a good choice already. All right, again, this is made by Kodak, and the model is Active 100 plus headlamp. All right, so you can buy this from I think from any deal store here in Ireland or anywhere. Just look for Kodak box and this one here. All right, so again, thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in our next vlog. Bye bye.